very, very hot throughout the year during the coronavirus. Did I say this correctly, Cardi B? I don't know if I said the coronavirus. Oh, thank you. Well, everything went down, and we saw some different opportunities that, well, being patient actually blessed us with. And now let's go ahead and continue with the news, ladies and gentlemen. I think it just makes sense to review Astrazeneca Oxford COVID-19 vaccine shows positive effect in early stage study. Results from a phase and a half clinical trial at 5 sites in the UK evaluating the safety and immunogenicity of Oxford University's chimpanzees adenovirus vector COVID-19 vaccine candidate ChAd-OX1 in 1,077 healthy volunteers showed a positive effect. Interesting. 543 were assigned to receive a single dose, and 534 assigned to receive a single dose of meningococcal conjugate vaccine, which served as a control. 10 participants were enrolled in the non-randomized prime boost group. Data cutoff neutralizing antibody responses were observed for 91% of participants after one dose via one measurement and 100% via another. In the prime boost group, all subjects showed neutralizing antibody activity. Marked increases in SARS-CoV-2 spike-specific effector T-cell responses were observed as early as day 7, peaking at day 14 and maintained up to day 56, as expected with adenoviral vectors. And guys, I know there's way more about this, but at the end of the day, positive effect in early stage study for AstraZeneca. I dug deep down in the article, and we are gonna dig over here to what has happened as well. So AstraZeneca, even though it has gone down, it has created a higher high in the weekly, a higher low. Obviously is becoming bearish right now. What we're waiting for is a support level being created. There is no rejection at the moment that makes me think that this can turn down once again. But you know what? Once we break this trend line, that can be a good sign. Otherwise, heading back down to 55 or even lower. Who the heck knows? Maybe back to 54 could be a great opportunity for this one. The week is not over as well, my friends. We are only on Tuesday. So we got Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And this weekly candle has shown us a big range. Do I think it's going to go lower than 53? I don't think that is going to be doing that. That's why now I will be patient, because there could be a possible re-entry on this one that I want to keep an eye on, ladies and gentlemen, especially with the technical, okay? All about patience on this one. BioNTech selling shares and Pfizer to take down chunk of offering. Interesting. The company is selling 6.7 million ADS, consisting of an underwritten offering of 5 million shares and a rights offering for the rest. A selling shareholder will sell 750k ADS should the underwriters exercise their green shoe option. Whew, I thought that I left the image. Pfizer has indicated interest in purchasing up to 200 million worth of the new stock, which will work out to about 2.25 million shares at the current. So let's take a look over here at two. One will be BioNTech, and then we will take a look at Pfizer. So BioNTech today on the daily created a higher high and created a higher low. We have created a bearish candle on the 4 hour, 1 hour. You know what? I'm going to start documenting over here to see a little bit of retracement. We'll be fine, because now we just look for that opportunity where we can create a support level over here at 89 or 85. And once we can see that, we may project an opportunity as well. For example, ladies and gentlemen, if we break this trend line over here, you can see over here, then there could be a potential upside of 7%, which could be a good trade. But patience will give us the right entry. The reason is, what if this goes a little bit lower, right? Then we can capitalize on that opportunity. So it is better to wait when things have been moving very, very fast for that retracement where we can actually capitalize possibly in the short term or possible entries for the long term. Really depends on your trading plan, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to do that. Your trading plan is your friend, my friends, and that will guide you. Where do you want to go? Really depends. Do you want to invest in dividends? Do you want to go with growth? Maybe that's a combination that you want. You may want to have two portfolios, you know? So BioNTech, not bad. I think we need a little bit of more confirmations, maybe for upside, for reentries. PFE, Pfizer. See over here. So Pfizer becoming a little bit bearish on the daily, but higher lows, not higher highs. The weekly, I don't mind the weekly. It's only 2 days, and it already has been at 37.56. The daily, the 4 hour, let's see over here. I wouldn't mind Pfizer going down a little bit more. I think they're, at the end of the day, they will break that resistance level. It's just that it is a tough level. You can see here that we got a strong zone, that this is not likely, right, Chewy? And we just want to break that resistance level, ladies and gentlemen. I think it is very, very likely that it can happen. If you even look at the 4 hour, we got the W for the win. Such a big one. W for the win could be a potential, but as I said many times, plan A, plan B, plan C. So what if anything goes wrong and it starts going down? You know, just keep that in mind, that it can happen. But at the same time, this is looking very, very possible to me. So plan A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. I don't know the alphabet, man. Right, Chewy? Sorry, guys. Let's go ahead and continue from